Hello everyone, today I will show you how to hide or disable shape border in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and I will hide this shape border. Now click on this comment option and select this shape, and this right side bar top corner here you will find this properties option. Click here and this outline option. Here you can make this default color white invisible, or this border line option. Here you will find this no border, and see this, and there is no border, and it says this shape fill color also, and see there is no fill color border. Yeah, in this way you can sense or remove a shape border. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.